Hello guys, happy Sunday, good morning to you all. Hope you all are doing great. So hi Blessing, it's Sunday morning and we are on our way to church. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but you know when you look good, you kind of act posh, you understand. So that's how I'm feeling right now. I feel like I look good. Not that I look good. I feel good, and I know that I look good. That's why excuse me, that's why I am feeling this way. And here is my odogu, my odogulicious odogus.
These big names.
Now you.
My credit card is empty.
Blessing said my hobby. Did you say your credit card is empty? Who finished it?
I put the something. I had disgrace.
You came to buy diesel. Did they call you? No, be you want diesel. Hey.
It was running. At the time, it stopped. I know it's finished.
Finito tutto. Guarda carabinieri, ragazzi, guarda, c'è carabinieri. That's their car that just passed now. Carabinieri, what do we call them in English, my lord?
Federal police.
Federal police. Okay. Alright guys, see you all later. Obviously I'm not going to be vlogging in church. I don't like vlogging in church. I don't know why, but I just don't feel comfortable. Bye Blessing. I don't feel comfortable vlogging or blogging in church, but I'll catch you guys whenever I catch you guys. Okay, for now, stay safe. Bye. I want to dance. Blessing said this like this. Now God that the praise, now God that the praise. See me, Jima.
Let's do.
I go pistato, ogni it's the next day, Monday, and we are going out. We are going out.
Greetings,
everyone.
greetings.
We are going out. Me and my friend, my best friend. You see, he said I should take my size. Is that my size?
Oh, my God.
My lord, see finish, don't they enter this thing?
Take your own. Let me take my own.
See look at own. Blessings own. Oh.
See your own.
Can you imagine?
See my own. Let's go.
Umbrella la moto. See, no, let's be going. As long as it can cover my head, I'm good. See you guys later. But on a serious note though, for over 1 week now, it's been raining non-stop. Like, not that it will not stop, it will stop small and then start again for over 1 week. Eh? I don't understand though. No, I don't have hand to hold it. Cute. Hey guys, so we stopped at my Italian language teacher. We want to see her. It's been years. Like, how many years now? I think it's been over 5 years since I saw her last, if I'm not mistaken. So we went to somewhere. We went for a doctor's appointment, and from there we are here now. We are at the woman's gate, trying to, we didn't tell her that we are coming though, but it's just that we were passing and her house is close by. We were like, okay, let's come and check up on her. Okay, she has opened the gate. I was thinking maybe she's not around. Thank God though. It's been so long. I want to see her. She will be very old now. Hi, my Estraclelia. It's been really long. Such a long time. Like, how? 5? Is it not more than 5 years, my lord?
It's more.
You see.
It's 40 years.
I'm feeling so emotional. She didn't want me to go. She was holding me so tight. Oh my God. Guys, we are done. Oh. We spent like 1 hour there, right? She was just asking us so many. It's as if we went for exam. From one question to another. Your children, your parents, your church, your, oh my God, your work, everything. And she's, guess what? She's 88 years old. 88. Mamma mia. 88 years old. She gave us this for the kids. 40 euro. In Nigerian currency now is how much, my lord? And this 40 euro now should be around 60 something, 70 something thousand naira. My accountant check for me.
40 times 1750 equals to 70,000 naira.
You see, 70,000 naira. She gave us 70,000 naira. Hey, can your language teacher ever? Oh my God, I was so emotional. The way she was holding me so tight, she hugged me. As soon as we came in, she was like, Jessica. I said, so this woman still remembers my name. Eh? She still remembers my name after a long, how many years? Chai, 88 years old. and she's not looking bad. I didn't want to record in there, no, but I enjoyed the stay, and I'm happy I was able to see her again, you know.
With the memory,
yeah, her memory is so much intact, still very much intact. Like she's asking questions based on what happened years ago. Like no, she's still in good condition. I'm happy to see her today. Honestly, I'm so happy.
Postponement if we keep on
keep postponing. We'll go today, we'll go tomorrow, today, tomorrow. No, we finally went today. Hey, we are back home, guys. Her place, from here to her place, is not even far, but tell me, why have we not been going there? Why? And she's requesting that we come with the children. So we are going back with the children in summertime so she can see them. But before we left, she asked that we pray for her, and we did pray. Of course, my husband did, because he did with Italian language. I'm not so good with the language, but I tried though. I can hear her very well. Like, she's the only teacher that speaks to my understanding. When she talks, it's as if she's speaking English. I understand her very, very well, but I can't speak fluently. I just speak when I feel like I know what to say, you know. But my hubby did most of the talking, most of the answering, of questions, and most of the everything. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah.
It was a nice day.
Yeah.
Because it's been a long time. We will.
Every day we will.
But today
finally
come to pass. I'm happy you didn't reject the offer.
No, now.
And here we are. Who could? You know, one thing in life is the happiness you give out.
Yes.
Is what matters.
Yes.
That happiness she received now.
And that's similar to what the other woman said. The woman that is there to help her. There's a woman there that is helping her every day. Yeah, she said similar stuff. Ukraine. It doesn't matter your religion, your whatever. Yeah. What matters is your heart, the love you have for people, peace of mind and stuff like that.
In fact, even that woman also was emotional.
Yeah.
When after the prayer, she was emotional.
Sure.
She was emotional. She related much more and was like, she want to have us again. She said that if she sees you now, she will not see you like ordinary. You are an insider.
Yeah. That's
what she said.
Yeah, I heard when she said that.
Yeah. All right.
I can hear very well, but it's just my problem is to, you know, communicate with somebody.
By the way, that's the woman that forced me to be speaking Italian language. It's by fire by force. Oh, at that time, if I go there with she will be the one to decide what we will do. Immediately I get there, because I'm like, is it compulsory that you must speak this language? I sleep weak from nowhere and come. I'll be dozing. And she wake me up. Hey, devi parlare Italiano.
You must speak Italian.
By fire, by force. That's how the woman taught me the language. She forced it onto my
your throat.
Oh my God. And surprisingly, when I began to speak, I was like, what happened?
Miracle happened. Because miracle no dey tire Jesus.
She has been following me the way I used to learn. Ooh, for where? By now we'll still be doing iyo
kwa iyo la. Hey guys, let me go upstairs and look for what to eat. Bye guys, catch you all later.